Hi traders, it's Matt here for the Forex Coach. It's just coming up to 8 o'clock, so it's 20 to 8. So we've got a trade fairly early this morning. We've actually got a short on the Aussie dollar here. It's had a really good run up over the last couple of days, as I've talked about. I just think that it's had a push up this morning, and it's got potential for a bit of a pullback now. I've initially taken a 1 knot entry here on the 5-minute chart with a fairly small target, and what I probably will do with this is if it does come down and we can get down to target and then it then comes back up, then I might take an additional short trade, because I think it's got a little bit more of a retracement that it can take on here. So we've had a good run up, and we've had this sort of consolidation. We've just had a push up, but it's early in the morning, so I just think that there's a possibility we could get this to come down here. So that's the trade, and we're in, and you can see I got in on this candle here, and we just see how it plays out. Okay, just back on this Aussie trade, and the price action basically isn't what I wanted here, because what we needed was for this to start coming off straight away. Now what it done was it actually sort of pushed up and then started to come off. So what it means is that all of my sort of oscillators and indicators are all now out of sync, and my general rule is to be exiting at least half of the trade done at this point here. So I would normally close out, but I think because it hasn't gone far, what I'm going to do is just close half of the trade here. So I've closed half the trade there, and then I'm going to move the stop loss down now, so it's pretty much a risk-free trade, and see if we can get down to this target. But normally I'd probably be looking to an exit of most of the trade here, but that was on the basis of this price action coming straight off and us being down in this sort of zone by now, which we're not. So that's just unfortunately how it's played out this morning. Okay, just back, and I'm going to come out of this second half now. It's literally just above target, but this moving average, this 100 period, has moved up. So I'm just going to close this off now and get out of that trade. Still early in the day, so there's a good chance we could get another trade this afternoon. But for now, that one's closed out. So the two halves of that trade are just there, and that's the DAX from yesterday. Which incidentally I said it could come off some more. We're just going to have a quick look at that. And let's just rescale this. So yeah, following our exit yesterday, it came off quite a bit. But as I say, based on this trading strategy, the exit was fine. But as you can see there, it then came off a fair bit yesterday afternoon. Hi guys, so I'm just back, and I've not taken any other trades on this account today. Have had some trades, actually been shorting the pound yen today, so had some good trades off that. But as far as the video trades go, it was just the one Aussie dollar short. It was a good entry because it's come off all day pretty much, and always had the potential to do that. But I'm going to wrap the video up here. I hope you've had a good week's trading. I think we've had all winners this week, which is good. I know we had one flat trade, but I think all the rest have been winning trades, so that's good. Have a good weekend, and see you next week.